Learn how to quickly duplicate and reuse past timesheet activities to streamline current week time tracking. Start by choosing the Timesheet section from the sidebar to access your work hour records. Navigate the date range to select and view the timesheet period you want to update. Go to a past month with the previous arrow for earlier timesheet data. Use the arrow again for easy access to older time entries. Select your target date to quickly review timesheet activities. Upon selecting, you will automatically see any previous logged-in data and activities. You can further see your timesheet statuses above, working hours to that day or billable versus non-billable time all in one place. Jump to the current day with today to view up-to-date records. Click the copy icon above the table if you want to duplicate a previous timesheet. Pick a copy from timesheet date to reuse past entries and its log time to save repeated efforts. Use the previous month arrow to find the right period for timesheet copying. Click again to reach the desired month and streamline your search. Choose the specific date to set your source timesheet period. Click the Copy Timesheet button to duplicate all entries to the current period. Select Yes, Proceed to confirm and instantly update your timesheet with past data. If you want, you can also copy only the previous activities and record new time logs. Open Copy from Timesheet to start another efficient copy of previous entries. Browse earlier months to access even more historic data for copying. Navigate through months using the arrow to precisely locate required records. Confirm your source date by selecting it in the calendar pop-up. Click Copy Activities for a swift transfer of all your previously added tasks. Approve with Yes, Proceed to instantly populate your current timesheet, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Now you can start the auto timer or add manual entries based on your working hours.